The YouTube algorithm is designed in one of the most advanced way we could possibly imagine. When we post a video into YouTube, the algorithm analyzes every possible way a user is engaging with our content, and you might already know it's not just about likes, comments or subscribe I'm talking about. If we head over to our analytics sections and explore the advanced mode in YouTube Studio, there are almost 83 separate sections you can explore. And by default, all of these options and graphs can be so confusing. But the only option I'm focusing on while creating content is the audience retention. And you might be wondering how your friends can hurt your videos and revenue, right? The average YouTuber, or most of the YouTubers I know, does this one mistake which can destroy their content. And that is sharing your video links over social media. For an example, you created an awesome video and you are continuously refreshing to see the viewers increasing. But nothing happens again and you waited for a while and saw no changes to your viewers. At this moment, out of desperation, you copy the link and start sharing it to your friends, to your family members, to the WhatsApp groups, and even you posted it on your stories. Out of curiosity and respect, your friends and family clicks on this link and start watching the video. And this video you just shared can be about gaming, or it can be about a vlog, or it can be about anything which you love creating. But do keep in mind that this may not be the topic which can interest your friends and family. And in most of the cases, people who started watching might leave a good comment to cheer you up and also might like and subscribe without watching the full video. And what YouTube, just like every other platform, wants is its user to spend a lot of time in their app. And for this, YouTube needs good content creators who can hook their viewers into watching videos one after the other. And from YouTube's perspective, a good content creator is someone who can make their particular viewers watch their videos till the end or almost till the end. And that's exactly measured by the audience retention graph, where the average percentage of a YouTube video that the people watched has been calculated, and if it's a good number, the algorithm pushes your video to more people. And if they enjoys your content and maintains a good retention, again the algorithm pushes the video, and as a result you will get more and more engagement. And that's pretty much how the system works. I have made a dedicated video about creating a viral content and I will pin it in the end of the video. So let's come back to a topic where you just share the link, your friends liked and commented, but most of them didn't watch the video till the end. Let's call this portion phase 1. Here the algorithm is gathering all the information from the audience you just funneled into your video through your social medias. The algorithm finds out that most of them liked the video, some commented and few subscribed. The algorithm is confused at this moment and is figuring out what's going on. So it checks the average view duration and sees that it's also low. But just as an experiment, the algorithm sends your video to few more audience. And to figure out what kind of audience to send this video to, YouTube gathers information from your audience who just watched your video. And in the process of filtering this audience, let's say that your uncle who watches your video mostly watches politics, your cousin brother who watched your video only watches gaming videos and tech related videos, and your sister who just watched your video mostly watches makeup videos and vlogs. The algorithm gathers all of these viewers' interests from YouTube just to find some people who are interested in most of these topics, which can be a selective few, and sends your videos to them. And if they watches your video, it's good. But in most of the cases, this filtered audience may not be interested in these videos, and as a result, your video won't make it out of phase 1. And thus it gets stuck unless it's a how-to video about a demanding topic. And by now you must be wondering how you could promote your videos through social medias and how to increase your audience retention and what kind of percentage you need on this data to make your videos go viral. I'll answer them for you from my personal experience, and if you have more questions, do comment them below. So the best way to promote your videos through social media is to find the people who are interested in your video, like the people who you can relate your interest to. Only these friends of yours will engage with your content and gives you a better retention. So rather than posting video links in your stories and sending them to every group there is, find a list of people who are genuinely interested in your content. Even if it's just a few, it's alright. Then share your video links to them, not just asking to like and subscribe, but to kindly watch the video whenever they are free and asking them if there are any corrections to be done to the video. Two things can happen when you do that. Number 1, you put them in a position to judge your work, and people love criticizing others. So whenever they are free, they'll watch the video and give you all the problems that are to be changed. Number 2, you will learn a lot about your own videos from an audience perspective, and if you genuinely put in the effort to realize these mistakes while making the next video, your audience will grow, your content will be better, and you will be far ahead than most of the creators. But don't spam your every single video to your friends. Weekly 1 video review from your friends are enough. And it's always better to find 10 people who watches your video till the end than 100 people who just watch the first few seconds and leave. So this mainly depends on the presentation style and the way you edit your videos. And if you want to be a good content creator, better, be a better storyteller. It really helps to sell your content to your audience. And some of you guys will be confused about the audience retention percentage that can have an impact on your videos in various lengths. So, I have personally checked my own videos and I have researched it on the internet and found that for a 3-minute or longer videos, a good retention of 50 to 70% can boost your videos to more and more people. But keep in mind that this percentage can go beyond 100 if people rewatches your video. It mostly happens to short clips, trailers and songs. So always aim for more to go viral. And if you are creating videos which are 8 minutes or less, 40 to 50% would be good. And for the creators who are making 15 minutes of videos, 30 to 50% of audience retention will be great for you. And do keep in mind that YouTube promotes these longer videos to most of the audience in general. So don't forget to put in more effort to these videos. And if you are posting videos less than 30 minutes, a 20 to 30% of audience retention would be good for you. I hope this clears most of your doubts and I am wishing you all the best for your next video. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.